This is the iQOO Z5 and this is the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant in the Mystic Space finish. So let's take a look at what's inside. Here is the box. In this there is the warranty and information or the documents. There is the TPU case. As you can see, there's a large cutout for the camera over here. Keep that aside. Here is the phone. We'll come back to that later. This is the charging cable that comes with the phone. The SIM ejector tool. And this is the 44-watt charger that comes in the box. So let's put all of this aside and take a look at the phone. Take out the wrapper. And let's take a look at this phone. The back is made out of polycarbonate or plastic, and the top part over here, you can see there's a large cutout for the camera. Has this nice matte finish, but it also makes a little sound over here when you scratch over it. Frame is made out of plastic, thin frame that runs all through the phone. At the top here is the 3.5mm jack, and over here there's a fingerprint reader that's embedded in the power button on the right side itself, and above it sits the volume locker. The SIM card tray sits at the bottom. Let me just pull it out and let's have a look at the setup. As you can see, it's a simple SIM card tray, no hybrid stuff happening over here. One SIM card on one side and another on the other side. So there's no room for storage expansion on this phone. Also, another upgrade of the phone is the dual speaker setup. There's one speaker at the bottom and another speaker at the top here, which doubles up as the earpiece. So let's just set up the phone. And now that I've set up the device, let's take a closer look at the Mystic Space finish of the iQOO Z5. The iQOO Z5 is available in two finishes. There's the Mystic Space finish, which we received for review, and there's also Arctic Dawn. The color options of the back panel are not as eye-catching as on the iQOO Z3, but come with the matte finish, which is also present on the iQOO Z3. The frame and the back panel are made of plastic. The power and volume buttons sit on the right side. The phone features stereo speakers with the earpiece doubling up as the second speaker. The LCD display features a 120Hz refresh rate and has grown to 6.67 inches. The touch sampling rate has been upgraded to 240Hz, which should be good for gaming. The bezels around the display are also quite thin.Moving to core hardware, the iQOO Z5 offers a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor inside. The phone is available in 8GB and 12GB RAM variants with 128GB and 256GB of storage. They are priced at $23,990 and $26,990 respectively. The camera setup remains unchanged compared to the iQOO Z3. There's a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 2MP macro camera. Selfie duties are handled by a 16MP camera. While the battery has increased in capacity to 5000 mAh, charging speeds have dropped to 44 watts. FunTouchOS 12 runs the show on the iQOO Z5 with Android 11 as the base. The software felt quite fluid during my initial use, but I noticed plenty of third-party apps that came pre-installed. After unboxing the phone, it's clear that the iQOO Z5 is an upgrade to the iQOO Z3. But are those upgrades worth the higher price tag? We will find out in our full review. So that was a quick unboxing and your first look at the iQOO Z5. What do you think about this device? Let us know in the comment section below. And as always, for all things tech,